Thank you for joining us on this journey through 40 years of innovation and excellence at MicroCare. We reached this milestone with the support of our loyal customers, valued partners, and dedicated team. As we look back on our achievements, we are also excited about what the future holds. We continue to focus on providing the best cleaning, coating, lubricating, and disinfecting solutions for our customers worldwide. Our commitment to innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction is firm. With our expanded and upgraded facilities, new product offerings, and strong global presence, we are poised to make an even greater impact in the industries we serve. Our customers are at the heart of everything we do. We listen to their needs, and our resolute team of sales, marketing, and technical experts work tirelessly to provide our customers with the best solutions, saving them money and improving their critical cleaning processes. Our commitment to customer service is embedded in our DNA. Over the years, MicroCare has expanded globally with facilities and offices in multiple countries. Our presence at some of the largest trade shows around the world has solidified our position as an industry leader. We are proud to represent our brands and highlight our innovative products on the global stage. We are grateful to our distributors and rep partners for their true commitment, knowledge, and dedication. We maintain access and expanding network of clients and gain invaluable insights into local markets. Their support has allowed us to increase our market reach, elevate our brand's recognition, and continue our journey towards excellence. MicroCare Critical Cleaning Labs are the cornerstone of our innovation, with over 12 active patents supporting our products. Our world-class chemists constantly push the boundaries of what is possible in critical cleaning, creating easy-to-use cleaning solutions to meet the changing needs of our customers and evolving regulations. As much as our state-of-the-art facilities and technologies contribute to our success, it is our people who truly make the difference. Our employees are the heart and soul of this company, and their dedication and hard work make MicroCare what it is today. Since our founder Chris Jones started this journey in 1983 to the present day, our commitment to our employees remains unwavering. We take pride in providing a safe and secure working environment for our team. We offer competitive wages and a comprehensive benefit package that supports our employees' health and well-being, as well as their families and communities. While we work hard together and create a workplace that fosters growth, collaboration, and camaraderie, it's not all just business. As a group, we like to have fun and support our community. Through our MicroCare Cares charitable offshoot, we strive to make a positive impact, supporting various causes that matter the most to our employees and the communities where we live and work. As we celebrate our 40th anniversary, we look back on our journey with pride. And as we embark on the next chapter of our story, we are excited about all of the possibilities that lie ahead. We are grateful to all who have been a part of this incredible journey. Your trust, support, and collaboration have been instrumental in our success. Here's to the next 40 years and beyond. To learn more about MicroCare and our innovative cleaning solutions, visit microcare.com.